I'm Satara, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 15 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. The Boolean union tool is used to combine multiple solid objects into a single solid when you have overlapping 3D shapes that touch or intersect. This tool merges them into one clean, unified object, removing any internal surfaces, joining different parts of a model into one solid piece, preparing objects for 3D printing or rendering, cleaning up intersecting geometry. The Boolean difference tool is used to subtract one solid object from another. You select the main object first, then the object you want to subtract. Wherever the two intersect, that part is removed from the main solid, creating holes or recesses inside objects, building complex forms by removing parts of a solid, perfect for making stone settings, grooves, or cutouts in jewelry. Boolean intersection is used to create a new solid from the overlapping part of two or more solids. Only the shared volume where the objects intersect remains, and the rest is removed. This is especially useful when you need a shape that exactly matches the overlapping area of two solids, creating precise parts from overlapping geometry. Designing complex, unique forms, perfect for making detailed connections or fitting pieces in jewelry design. Boolean operations let you combine or edit two or more solid objects in 3D. These are the three main types of Boolean for two objects. Un union combines two solids into one. Deux difference subtracts one solid from the other. Tres intersection keeps only the overlapping part of the two solids, merging multiple parts in jewelry design, making accurate spaces for stone settings, creating complex forms by adding or removing pieces. Other examples of using this tools: